Tiger and Missy are thrilled because today is their first date. However, Tiger wakes up late, panicking as he quickly changes his clothes and rushes out the door. His heart races as he runs to meet Missy. But when he arrives, he finds a letter instead. Days pass in a blur of sadness for Tiger, each one feeling longer than the last. He hatches a plan. He goes to her home. When Missy opens the door, her eyes widen in surprise. Tiger takes a deep breath, gets down on one knee, and proposes.